Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to report a profile picture, a channel profile picture on YouTube. You got that right. You can report somebody's profile picture. And I'm taking this channel as an example. This is my channel, by the way, another focused channel that is focused just around AI. So guys, if you want to learn about AI and you just want to stay AI specific, you can head over to Learn AI and you can subscribe to this channel and stay focused. While you know, Drew Tutorial is the channel that covers quite a lot of different topics. So if you're excited and you like the channel as well, be sure to stay focused and stay there as well. I'm more than happy to have you guys subscribe to both of those channels. Now, if you want to, let's say, report a channel profile picture, let's say this profile picture here, I hope you will not go ahead and report my profile picture, but guys, you get the idea. So let's say you want to report this profile picture, right? Now, all you have to do, just simply go ahead and click the more option here right towards the right hand side of the channel description. You'll see the more option, and here you will see that it says report user. So you click on that, and here you'll have the option that says report profile picture. Once you click on that, you'll have this option that says abuse of the report system may result in termination of your YouTube account. But guys, you want to keep in mind this description, because you don't want to just go ahead and hit report, and you don't want to go ahead and just, abuse these things, right? You want to take these things, if it's something that is really serious and you want to go ahead and do that, it can affect you both ways. It can affect the person, yes, if they really take, for example, your picture, your personal picture, and put it on their channel, and you say, oh, why this person using my picture? Or this can go both ways. It could backfire on you as well, and you could be affected by YouTube because you're abusing the use of this. So you want to go ahead and use this with caution, right? So you don't want to go ahead and start to abuse and start to report people's profile picture when there's no reason for it. So if you come here and you report my profile picture for whatever reason, right, this could backfire on you as well, and your channel could be terminated, and you can be in problems for doing that on people's channel because it's not necessary. Or if you know that there is a reason for this, someone use your picture, someone take your picture from your Facebook or your Instagram, and they put it on their channel, and you can say, hey, this is the reason, yada yada yada. You get the idea, right? But I just want to share this option with you, that it's available and you want to use this cautiously. So that's just about it, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.